Ooh.
Damn! Hey Mecca Beauty Junkies, it's Steve Kassajikian here, global makeup artist with Urban Decay, and today I'm going to show you guys how to create a monochromatic look using the new Backtalk Palette. I'm so excited, so keep watching. So before I get started, I'm going to prime her eyes using our primer potion in the color Eden. So I'm applying Eden with a brush, or you can use your finger as well. You want to apply primer from the lashes all the way up to the brow bone. So the first shade I'm going to apply is called Backtalk, and I'm going to use that in the crease as my transition shade. So first I like to use a smaller flat brush to lay my color down, and then I'm going to use a domed crease brush to blend that out. I'll typically blend with the clean brush, and I'll just blend out the eyeshadow that I've already placed on the lid. This allows me to have zero to no fallout. When blending, I go back and forth in a circular motion to make sure that everything is distributed evenly. I also don't use too much pressure on the brush when I'm blending, so that my eyeshadow is just not being concentrated in one area. So I'm going to go ahead and take the same shade Backtalk, and I'm going to apply that underneath the bottom lash line as well. Again, I'm going to first just apply my color, and then next I'm going to blend it out. So next up, we're going to use the color Shade to define the crease. Now that I've placed shade in the crease, I'm going to go ahead and take my brush and blend it out. And now I'm going to take shade and apply it all on the bottom lash line. So the next shade I'm going to apply is called Attitude, and I'm going to use that on the lid. So one of my absolute favorite things to do when applying any eyeshadow with a metallic finish or a shimmer is wetting it with our all-nighter setting spray. The reason why I love to wet any eyeshadows with a little bit of shimmer or metallic finish is because it intensifies it and almost turns it into a liquid shadow. Yes, look at that. Nothing beats Urban Decay pigment. Look how that glides on like a gel. Ugh, will you look at that? I live. Damn! That looks so good, right? So now I'm gonna go back with the first color we used, Backtalk, in her crease, so that we can blend out any harsh lines. So I'm just gonna apply that right in the inner eye corner where we placed the lid shade. Is it showing off on camera the way it is in person?
Yep. Yeah.
Okay. Because I am gagging. So next we're going to use the color 3 Sheets to highlight her brow bone. And the last shade I'm going to use is the color Bear, and I'm going to apply that on the inner eye corner. Again, because Bear is more of a shimmer shadow, I'm going to use it wet with my all-nighter setting spray. And now to finish off our eye look, we're going to apply a little bit of PERVERSION mascara. So this is a triple black pigment mascara, so it's going to give you bigger, blacker, badder lashes. So next I'm going to add a little bit of color on her cheeks using our blush Double Take. So the best thing about our products is that they're highly pigmented. And to brighten her up a little bit, I'm going to use a little bit of Cheap Shot on top of Double Take. So I'm using a similar shade on the cheeks to tie in the eye to complete our monochromatic look. So now for my most favorite part ever, we're going to highlight using the color Party Foul. Party! Oh, I almost fell, okay. To intensify my highlight, I'm going to apply all-nighter setting spray all over the face before application. I love the intensity you get when applying highlighter on a damp face. Can somebody please grab my sunglasses? And to complete our monochromatic look, I'm going to use our new Hi-Fi lip gloss in the color Backtalk. So this gloss is going to give you high shine and leave your lips feeling cushion soft. Our Hi-Fi Shine lip glosses have peppermint oil in them, so they're gonna give you that minty tingle while giving you a nice little plump. And now that our look's complete, we're gonna set it with all-nighters so she gets 16-hour wear. Yes. Here's my finished monochromatic look. I hope you guys loved it. The Backtalk palette is now available in Mecca Maxima, so go out and grab it. Thanks for watching.
Funny.
You're so gorgeous. Can we pose? Can we pose?